Definitely another oldie but a goodie, released in 2002, The 5 Dysfunctions of a Team by Patrick Lencioni. And I reckon I've had Lencioni's model in one of my PowerPoint slides in almost every workshop that I've done in the past 15 years. And because his model is fantastic. The book is also essentially just a little parable at the beginning, and then it talks about the 5 dysfunctions. And the 5 dysfunctions of a team are an absence of trust. And when we don't have trust, we can't be vulnerable. And if we can't be vulnerable, then we fear conflict, and we have that thing, that artificial harmony that often occurs in schools where everyone's nodding and agreeing but going away and doing other things, or we have out and out warfare. No trust. If we've not mastered conflict, then there's a lack of commitment, and there's a bit of an ambiguity around what we're supposed to do, which leads to an avoidance of accountability and an inattention to results. And that's the, that's the model right there. Super little book. And also in the portal, I will add a link to a video when he talks about vulnerability-based trust rather than other kinds of trust. So Patrick Lencioni, 5 Dysfunctions of a Team. He recently put out another book, which I will review a little later.